In this video, I'll show you how to use a powerful free AI tool called GoogleFX with no daily credit limits to create high-quality, consistent character images. First, head over to GoogleFX and choose the image option. You can use any free language AI tool like ChatGPT or Google Gemini to help you write your prompts. To get the best results, make sure your prompt includes subject, setting, action, mood, and style. That gives the AI clear direction to generate better and more consistent images. Here's an example prompt I used. A realistic texture of a specific type of dinosaur wearing steampunk goggles, standing on a rocky cliff with gears and smoke rising in the background. Cinematic lighting, detailed textures, wind blowing through its feathers. Once you're happy with the character and the style, you can create more prompts to build out different scenes. It's important to lock the seed to keep your style consistent. In my case, I kept the same realistic texture, type of dinosaur, cinematic lighting, steampunk theme, and the wind-blown feather effect across all the images. Here's another version of the same scene. I just changed the color of the dinosaur's bathrobe from purple to black. Now let's try a different art style. Here's a cute bunny. I locked the seed and continued building scenes around the bunny's adventure. Each image has a unique mood, setting, and lighting, but the bunny stays consistent. Next, let's test the Edit History feature. This lets you make changes to your images using simple prompts. For example, I added a deer to the background, super easy. Then I added a fish jumping out of the lake, and the AI followed it beautifully. Now let's try the Whisk feature. This allows you to upload an image and turn it into a plushie or sticker-style version. I uploaded a picture of my puppy and another animal. Look how adorable they turned out. GoogleFX can also generate music, but just a heads up, it only supports short clips, about 30 seconds, and there are no lyrics. Before we wrap up, here's a tip. When you download an image, make sure to click and open it first. Otherwise, it might download in a really small size. Alright, that's it. GoogleFX is an amazing free tool you can use to create high-quality, consistent characters for your content. You can turn them into videos, storybooks, or even custom PDF file book for your kids. Go have fun and get creative with it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.